With contemporary design, the DV45 direct vent gas wall mounted heater is a convection heater designed to be installed on an outward-facing wall. There is no denying the quality with its Italian design that radiates a quick and even heat. Ideal for small spaces such as garage, cottage, veranda, or mobile home, the DV45 heater offers a multitude of advantages. No electricity required, quiet, highly secure, runs on natural gas or propane, 5-year limited warranty. The easy-to-use control panel includes a piezo igniter, an intensity knob to adjust the desired heat, a switch to activate the blower. The cast aluminum combustion chamber guarantees impressive heat transfer and increased longevity. You will find everything you need for setting up this unit, including an adaptable horizontal cap. Place the paper template to the wall and locate the DV45 model. Using a pencil, transfer the necessary information to the wall. From the center of the main pipe, cut out a square. Cut and insert the fire stop through the opening. Attach the 3 metal brackets to the wall. Position the seal and secure the appliance to the wall. Only the evacuation remains to be installed. The gas connection must be done by a certified professional before you can begin enjoying the serenity and warmth of your heater. DROLET, a higher heating value since 1960.